In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and organize your subscriptions list on YouTube. Managing your subscriptions properly makes a big difference in how enjoyable and efficient your time on YouTube feels. Instead of being overwhelmed by random videos, you can quickly find the channels you care about and control what kinds of notifications you receive. First, open your web browser and go to the YouTube homepage. Make sure you're signed into the account whose subscriptions you want to manage. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main YouTube dashboard, with the home feed in the center and a menu running down the left-hand side. On that left-hand menu, look for the subscriptions option. It usually appears under Home, Shorts, and a few other items. Go ahead and click on Subscriptions. This takes you to a feed showing recent videos from channels you're subscribed to. Now, to really manage and organize the list of channels themselves, you'll want to see all of your subscriptions in one place. At the top of the subscriptions page, look for a link or button that says something like All Subscriptions or Manage. Click on that. This will take you to a dedicated page that lists every channel you're currently subscribed to, rather than just their recent uploads. On this page, you'll notice a drop-down menu that controls how your subscriptions are sorted. It may be labeled with something like New Activity, Most Relevant, or a similar phrase. Click on that drop-down and you'll see different ways you can organize your list, such as Most Relevant, by activity, or alphabetically from A to Z. Choose the option that best suits how you like to browse. For example, A to Z is great if you remember channel names, while activity-based sorting is helpful if you want to see who's been posting recently. Next, let's look at editing individual channels. Find any channel in your list and look for the subscribed button or icon next to its name. Click on that. A small menu will appear, giving you options for how you receive notifications from this channel. Here, you can choose between all notifications, no notifications, personalized notifications, or you can unsubscribe. Select all if you never want to miss an upload, none if you like the channel but don't want alerts, or personalized to let YouTube show you what it thinks is most relevant. If you're no longer interested in a channel at all, choose unsubscribe to remove it from your subscriptions list. Repeat this process for as many channels as you like, and you'll end up with a clean, organized subscription list that works the way you do.